National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flash flood watch for portions of Ohio and northwest Pennsylvania, including the following areas in Ohio: Ashland, Ashtabula Inland, Ashtabula Lakeshore, Crawford, Cuyahoga, Erie, Ohio, Geauga, Hancock, Holmes, Huron, Knox, Lake, Lorraine, Lucas, Mahoning, Marion, Medina, Morrow, Ottawa, Portage, Richland, Sandusky, Seneca, Stark, Summit, Trumbull, Wayne, Wood, and Wyandotte. In northwest Pennsylvania, Crawford, Pennsylvania, northern Erie and southern Erie. Through late tonight, thunderstorms this afternoon and tonight will be capable of producing intense rainfall, with rainfall rates in excess of 2 inches per hour. Some areas will have multiple rounds of thunderstorms, each increasing the threat for flash flooding. Localized areas of flash flooding, as well as quick rises on area creeks and streams, will be likely from the heavy rainfall. Urban flooding can occur very quickly, especially at underpasses and poor drainage areas. A flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. Rapid rises of rivers and creeks are possible. If you are in the watch area, you should monitor weather conditions closely. Be ready to move to higher ground if flooding is observed or a warning is issued. Stay tuned to Weather Radio for further updates. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for Reno Beach to Avon Point, Ohio, from the shoreline to the U.S.-Canadian border until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located 9 nautical miles west of Put-in Bay, moving east at 25 knots. Other clusters of thunderstorms were present near Salt Bass Island and Kelly's Island, also moving east. Hazard: wind gust 34 knots or greater. Source: radar indicated. Impact: overturned and capsized boats. Locations impacted include Sandusky Bay, Huron, Lorraine Harbor, Kelly's Island, Put-in Bay, and Vermilion. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The forecast for The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for Avon Point to Willowick. Avon Point to Willowick beyond 5 nautical miles offshore line to U.S.-Canadian border. Geneva on the Lake de Conneaut. Geneva on the Lake de Conneaut beyond 5 nautical miles offshore line to U.S.-Canadian border. Willowick to Geneva on the lake. Willowick to Geneva on the Lake, Ohio beyond 5 nautical miles offshore line to U.S.-Canadian border until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a cluster of strong thunderstorms was located over central Lake Erie, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard: wind gust 34 knots or greater. Source: radar indicated. Impact: overturned and capsized boats. Locations impacted include Geneva on the Lake, Ashtabula, and Willowick. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.
The Lake Erie shore.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flood warning for Marion County, Seneca County in northwestern Ohio, Morrow County, Wyandotte County in northwestern Ohio, Crawford County, Hancock County in northwestern Ohio, until 9:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Tuesday at 9:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Doppler radar indicated showers and thunderstorms producing heavy rain moving across the warned area. Additional showers and thunderstorms are expected overnight. 1 to 2 inches of rain have already fallen this evening over portions of the area. This was on top of the 1 to 3 inches that fell last night and Sunday. With the ground already saturated, any additional rainfall will quickly run off, causing flooding of low-lying areas and locations along and near area streams and creeks. Ponding of water on roadways and parking lots is also likely. Some locations that will experience flooding include Finlay, Marion, Milton, Astoria, Dubuque, Upper Sandusky, Lupton, Mount Gilead, Gillian, Crestline, Cardington, MCCOMC, Forest, Arlington, Creek Toppings, Prospect, Washington, Bloomville, Sycamore, and Larue. Most flood deaths occur in automobiles. Never drive your vehicle at one point where the water covers the roadway. Floodwaters waters are usually deeper than they appear. Just 1 foot of flowing water is powerful enough to sweep vehicles off the road. When encountering flooded roads, make the smart choice. Turn around, don't drown. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will likely have small creeks and streams, create sudden passes to the ground. Additionally, trees on a farm, camel, streets, other flooding areas are subject to flooding. Be especially cautious at night, when it was to recognize this alarming flood in the unattended. Mayor with a rock quickly, Leavensburg. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent. Stay in areas subject to stream rises will be slow. Repeating, an aerial flood warning has been issued until 9:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Tuesday for the following counties in Ohio: Crawford, Hancock, Marion, Morrow, Seneca, and Wyandotte. Trees and underpasses as well as other poor drainage areas in low lying.
The lake very short.